Davis with Lordship Insurance Services, coming to you with another edition of Sales Success in Insurance. I want to begin today talking about Lordship Insurance Services, who we are, what we do, and whether or not this might be the right fit for you. The insurance field, as you know, is extremely competitive, especially when you're working in the life market. People don't typically buy insurance because they have to. You have some that do, but that's the small minority. The majority of people end up looking at insurance as a means to an end, a necessary evil, something that you have to have, but not necessarily want to have. Because again, when you don't have it, it can definitely be a problem. So, for anyone that wants to work in the field of insurance and is looking to do it on a full time basis or even at a part time basis, but to experience a certain level of success, it's going to require that you put a few things in place. You'll find as you listen to the various videos that we'll be putting here and adding to the subscription that we're going to be talking about a variety of different topics that will help to strengthen and hopefully solidify your desire to be successful in insurance. Now, Lordship Insurance Services is located here in California, and what we do is we provide life insurance products working through an IMO with access to probably almost 100 different carriers. Now, nobody needs to have all those carriers, of course, but what we want to be able to do is to provide as wide a range as possible of services. Yes, the whole life, the term life, the universal life, doing things like mortgage protection, final expense, and retirement planning, annuities. There's just a whole gamut of insurance products. One of the things that makes us extremely different is that our agency is agent centric, meaning that we believe that if we bring on the right types of agents who have the right drive and the right personality, that what they will find is that this can be an incredible opportunity. Now, again, there's a lot of these things that I'll be talking about as time goes on, but let me just throw a few of them at you. What are some of the challenges when you're an agent and you want to do this full time? First of all, it is working with the right company. You find yourself out there alone, a lot of times just doing things, and sometimes you don't even know how you're supposed to do. So it becomes a lot of trial and error. Well, what we strive to do is to help you to see that even though you're in business for yourself, that you're not by yourself. I don't know about you, but part of the reason I got into this business was because of the ability to work without a lot of the restrictions. And that definitely exists here. There's a certain amount of freedom and ability to do things, and yet you don't want to be out there on your own by yourself, hoping that you're going to make it. The second thing, of course, has to do with the commission. Now, if you've been in this business for any length of time, you know that commissions can run the gamut. Some companies will bring you in at 30, 40%, 50, 60%, 70, 80%. It all depends on who and what company you're affiliated with. We believe that agents need to make as much money as possible per deal because the more money you make per transaction, the better the chances are you'll be successful at this. And so we give agents an opportunity to have a very aggressive commission structure based again on experience, desire. You can move up because of production, etc. And then another thing deals with promotability. What if you want to one day have an agency, or you want to work to manage agents, or you want to build a team and receive overrides? Well, that possibility definitely exists. And so the final thing here that I'll say about this, and as I say, we'll be talking about it more in detail, is the lead structure. I don't care how good a salesperson you are. If you don't get in front of people to talk about what you have to offer, you are just not going to make any money. And so we have a very unique and innovative lead structure that allows our agents to get in front of people on a regular and consistent basis with the expectation that you'll sell a good percentage of those that you talk to. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in or something you'd like more information on, you can always go to our website, www.thelordshipcompanies.com. Again, that's www.thelordshipcompanies.com, and it sounds just like I'm saying it. And there's a section there that talks about insurance. There's a contact page. You can read up on us, and then from that point, make a decision. So again, it's been Jeff Davis. here with Lordship Insurance Services. And until the next time we meet, happy, successful selling.